When Canada finally signed the long-delayed deal to purchase the F-35 Lightning II, many believed the controversy that haunted the program for over a decade was over. Instead, a new storm arrived, one far bigger than the debate about stealth or capability. It's the hidden price tag, the long-term operational burden, and the unexpected political backlash that now threaten to overshadow Canada's most expensive military acquisition in modern history. Introduction: a deal years in the making. For over 15 years, Canada debated, delayed, and re-evaluated the idea of purchasing the American-made F-35, the world's most advanced stealth fighter. After countless government changes, political promises, rising global tensions, and mounting pressure from NATO, Ottawa finally committed to buying 88 F-35A jets, making it one of Canada's largest defense purchases ever. What was supposed to be the aircraft of the future has instead sparked a wave of criticism as defense analysts, economists, and military officials raise concerns that Canada may have underestimated the true cost of operating and maintaining these aircraft. The backlash isn't about whether the F-35 is a powerful fighter. It is. The controversy is about how much Canada will ultimately pay and whether this price weakens rather than strengthens national defense. The original sales pitch versus reality. When Canada first explored joining the F-35 program, the projected lifetime cost was presented as manageable. But as years passed, several hidden realities emerged. 1. Rising acquisition costs. Although the per-unit price of the F-35 has decreased globally, Canada's total contract, including training systems, weapons, simulators, infrastructure upgrades, and spare parts, has ballooned into tens of billions of dollars. Initial estimates projected a manageable investment, but revised government documents reveal costs could exceed $70 billion over the lifetime of the fleet. 2. The hidden cost of infrastructure overhaul. The F-35 requires highly specialized shelters, new runway upgrades, secret-level secure communication facilities, and advanced cyber protection systems. Most Canadian bases were never designed for stealth aircraft, and upgrading them is proving to be enormously expensive. 3. Sustaining the F-35 is the real financial burden. Owning an F-35 is one thing, keeping it flying is another. The jet's maintenance ecosystem is among the most complex in the world. Proprietary stealth coatings, engine performance monitoring, cybersecurity networks, software updates that are mandatory, Lockheed Martin's global logistics cloud system. These factors mean Canada is locked into long-term service contracts with costs much higher than expected. Why Canada chose the F-35 anyway? Despite the backlash, the government insists the F-35 was the only realistic choice. Reason 1. NATO pressure. As tensions rise globally, especially in the Arctic, NATO allies pushed Canada to modernize its outdated fighter fleet. The CF-18s were no longer suitable for future conflicts. Reason 2. Stealth and interoperability. Only the F-35 can fully integrate with US and NATO air defense networks. For operations with the United States, Canada's closest defense partner, interoperability is non-negotiable. Reason 3. Arctic defense. Canada's northern skies are among the most strategically important regions on the planet. Russia's growing presence in the Arctic requires Canada to possess an advanced fighter that can detect and intercept modern threats.
The cost backlash. Why critics are furious. 1. Budget overstretch. Economists argue that spending tens of billions on a single military program could weaken other essential sectors like healthcare, infrastructure, and social programs. For Canadians facing rising living costs, the F-35 deal feels mistimed. 2. Lifetime costs may be unpredictable. The F-35 program is still evolving. Software upgrades, new block versions, and constant modernization mean Canada has no fixed cost ceiling. Analysts warn of cost creep, where expenses increase every year without clear accountability. 3. Dependence on U.S. supply chains. Canada will rely heavily on American systems for parts, maintenance, and mission software. Critics fear this reduces military independence. 4. Too advanced for Canada's current needs. Some defense experts argue that Canada overspent on a fighter it may never use in high-intensity combat. Much of Canada's air operations involve NORAD patrols, search and rescue support, training, and intercept missions, not full-scale war. In this argument, jets like the Saab Gripen E, or even upgraded F-18 variants, might have been more cost-effective. The strategic argument: why supporters defend the F-35. Despite the backlash, the F-35 has powerful supporters in military circles. 1. A future-proof platform. The F-35 is more than a fighter jet. It's an airborne sensor fusion hub. Supporters argue this protects Canada not just today, but decades into the future. 2. Arctic deterrence is priceless. Canada's sovereignty in the Arctic faces real threats. The F-35's ability to operate in GPS-denied environments and detect threats long before being detected makes it ideal for northern missions. 3. Industrial and technological benefits. Canadian companies involved in the F-35 program have received billions in contracts. Leaving the project would have risked losing high-tech jobs and industrial growth. Public sentiment: where Canadians stand. Opinion polls show Canadians are divided. Supporters say the F-35 protects Canada's future and ensures alliance integration. Critics say the cost is excessive and transparency has been lacking. Younger Canadians, especially, question whether this spending is necessary during economic uncertainty. The result is a national debate that goes beyond military hardware. It touches on identity, sovereignty, and fiscal responsibility. The bigger picture: was there ever a cheaper option? Alternatives existed. Saab Gripen E, Boeing FA-18 Super Hornet, Eurofighter Typhoon, Dassault Rafale. Some were cheaper to operate. Some didn't require massive infrastructure upgrades. But none matched the F-35 stealth, electronic warfare strength, or NATO-level integration. So the question becomes, did Canada choose the best fighter just at the worst financial moment? Conclusion: a powerful jet with a powerful price. The F-35 is undeniably one of the most advanced fighter jets ever built. For Canada, it represents a major leap into next-generation warfare and ensures long-term security in an increasingly uncertain world. But with rising costs, operational complexities, and an economy under pressure, many Canadians wonder whether the price of this protection has become too high. The true cost backlash isn't just about dollars. It's about a nation asking whether military modernization and financial responsibility can ever exist side by side.